Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create your own custom short forms for long words or sentences in any iPhone or iPad. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my iPhone home screen. So firstly what you need to do is just open the settings, and you can see here one option written General. Just tap on it. Now at the bottom you can see your keyboard option. Just tap on it. Now here you will see one option written text replacement. Just tap on it. Now you can see here one short form for the particular long words has been created. So you can see here. So you can see if I type OMW, then it will be written as on my way. So this is already created from before. So now in order to create your own custom short forms, you can see here one plus icon on the right top. Just tap on it. Now on the press option, just type whatever you want to type. Say I want to type hello everyone. So I've typed hello everyone, and now I'll give a short form here, just HE. So the short form for hello everyone is HE. So once you're done, you can see here on the right side save. Just tap on it. Now it will be added. Now let us test if it really gonna work or not. So let me open a notes application. So now let me try to type HE, and now just hit space. Voila, now you can see it's automatically add the long words once I hit the space bar after typing the short form of the long words. So let us try again. So let me try the other already created short form OMW, and if I hit space, so you can see. So as much short forms you want to create here, you can create your own custom short forms for the particular long words or sentences by going to this option here. So this is the way how to create your own custom short forms for long words or sentences in any iPhone or iPad very easily. So if you never known about the cool hidden features available on your respective iPhone or iPad, that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.